All right, everybody, we're over here at the oldest park pond in the valley. I'm gonna try to drive this little boat and check out this mod I did on the rescue boat. The little net right over here, see if it'll end up kind of catching it so it doesn't fly all the way back here and start pushing water, or if it's like this and it gets stuck and then it just keeps pushing water. So we'll do a little spin. If we flip, we'll go and get her. If not, it is what it is, right? God, I got this tape from where the hell did I get this tape? AliExpress, I think it is. Wow, this tape is horrible, horrible, horrible. It's just as bad as the dynamite tape, or even worse. I'll tell you that 10 shock tape, oxidine tape, other than the fact they're narrow, they're probably, in my opinion, the best tapes there are. All right, let's see here. You're not really supposed to drive boats at this lake, at this pond, but we'll give it a shot. This water's super murky. Hope we don't sink. Running in a plastic Octura 3019. It's running nice. It likes that prop. I didn't put the GPS in there. Should have. Probably about 30 miles an hour. Trick with these hydros is you can't really get off the throttle right away, or else you'll nosedive. Ooh, just like that. You gotta drop that turn fin like Big B did, or put a longer one on there. I think I'm gonna drop it tonight. You gotta set the dual rate a little better. It's a little sensitive. I think that's my battery. Let's bring her back in. That was a nice run. I didn't bring my heat gun like a moron. That was a pretty good run. 1400 milliamp battery. You know what else I didn't bring from the car? Yep, I did not bring the towel. See here, let's check the heats on this with my finger at least. Nice, ESC feels good, battery feels good, motor feels good. Not bad, not bad. Something is moving around in here. What is that? Ah, a bolt. Where did you come from? Did I leave you in here from the work I did in the garage? I think so, I think so. Oh no, you're out of the motor mount. All right. That one popped out of the motor mount. That's what happens when you don't run with Loctite. Alright, we'll put that aside. We'll put that in there. That was a not bad run. I'm pretty happy with that. Not bad at all. Alright, got the green one now. This one's all stock. It's a stock TFL prop. I think this one is a 28, maybe. I taped the living shit out of this boat because this hatch tape really sucks. It's like not sticking at all. Let's see, what did I want to do? Yeah, tighten that turn fin. We got to drop these turn fins tonight. Here we go. Maiden voyage for this green one, by the way. It's got good water cooling. It's a little more stable with the heavier battery, but it has a harder time turning. Don't splash yourself with this filthy ass water code. Yeah. CG is not good on it. Oh, rescue boat, rescue boat, rescue boat. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Well, it's not doing what I wanted. Definitely not doing what I wanted, but I didn't line it up right, so let's just give it a shot. Nope. Nope, didn't do what I want. And it got full of water because this fucking hatch tape sucks. See? It's coming off everywhere. It's coming off in the front. All right, that was a short-lived situation. Get the water out of this boat. I'll get the rescue boat back. I think I got to come into it faster. See that? So that it just brings it right in. Not bad though, not bad, not bad. I don't like that 2200 milliamp pack in this green boat. See, this fucking tape is horrible. Wow. Thank God the hatch didn't fly off. Huh? All right, everybody. Leaving the park pond. Actually had not bad of an experience here, other than the fact the water is just as murky as the sewer lake, because I'm assuming that they both come from the same gutter. What I really liked is the solitude. It's quiet here. Every time I go to the other lake, where we're technically the only place we're actually allowed to drive these boats, I keep getting into arguments with fishermen, with people running by telling me that I'm scaring the birds, you know, your basic bullshit. So coming here today, actually, I did not mind it at all. This backside, there's a nice open area. Can do some nice small ovals over here. This front side is a little bit to be desired. There's a little turtle over there. Highly doubt you can see him, he's super small, but I like it, I like it. Other than the fact it's filthy. This side of the lake is beyond filthy, actually. Looks like the water hasn't moved in forever, but we're here. We ran a pack. Green boat didn't run as well. Heavy battery. Hatch tape failing. Red boat ran very well with that 3019 Octura. So we'll get back to the garage. We're going to modify this net a little more. We're going to cut it down and start the net over here so that the boat can actually go into the sponsons and get caught in the back, rather than get lodged right there in the front and potentially plow water and sink the boat. If you have bad tape job, etc., hatch falls off, hatch opens up, you know how it goes. So that's it. Look at that. No smoking anywhere in the park. Good for you guys. Thank you. That's what they worry about, smoking. All right, everybody. We'll see everybody back at the garage. Tune back in later.